Alright, I just finished putting on the head bolts on, but yeah, I got all the bolts in. There's the order you're supposed to do it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know. Something like that. I have the photo. Let me pull it up real quick. There you go. That's the order you're supposed to tighten it in. I already tightened it all the way to 65 foot-pounds. First you're supposed to do 22 foot-pounds, then 59, then loosen them all completely, then 25, then 65. That's just for regular stock head bolts. I don't have APR just because, I don't know, I didn't want to go with the APR head studs. I just got regular Felpro head studs on there. Or head bolts, not studs. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go put the cams on. I'll show you guys me putting the cams on. There's also specific orders to put the cams on. Or like tighten the little whatever thingies they're called. Yeah, so that's how they're supposed to be tightened. The cams, you know. I'm going to tighten it right now. And I don't know what specs, I'll look it up in a sec. It probably would have been a good idea to do more research on that, but I'll check it out and then I'll tell you guys. But for right now I'm just gonna lay them on there, hand tighten them all, so it'd be, you know, nice and snug, just with my hands, nothing with the wrench yet. Let's begin. Alright, so I got the exhaust side all done. I'm about to do the intake side. Torque to spec. I've been going little by little because this thing doesn't go under 8 foot-pounds. And on the, what's it called? Whatever I saw it on some forums, it said 8 foot-pounds. Or torque it to, let me see real quick. I forgot already. Yeah, tie into 2 to 3 foot-pounds and then final 5 to 8. So I'm just twisting it little by little until I get to 10 foot-pounds. That's why I keep going back and forth in between each single one instead of having to do, you know, 2 to 3 and then going to 5 to 8. I'm just twisting it until I get to 8 because this thing doesn't go any lower than 8. The head bolts were kind of a pain just because it was scary going to 65 foot-pounds. I didn't record any of that. I didn't have the camera charged, so I left it charging while I did the head bolts. So that's done. Done. Alright, that's all good. So, intake side, exhaust manifold side, both done. That's pretty much it to put the head back on the car. Or not the car, the engine, the block. All I need to do is put the valve cover back on, valve cover gasket, valve cover gasket, front timing cover, and the distributor, exhaust manifold, intake manifold. I have everything right here. I was cleaning it up a little bit. But yeah, I think next I'm gonna do the timing chain. I have the whole timing chain set in the car, not in the car, out here. I have the timing chain set. I just need to take this off. I need to take that off. And then when I have all this stuff off, I'm going to clean up all this gunk because it's so nasty. And then, yeah. Then I'm doing the oil pan too. I'm doing the oil pan because the oil pan's filthy. It's gross. It's going to look completely different. Hopefully look a lot better. But that's pretty much it for putting the head on the block. That's pretty much it. It's not too hard. Anybody can do it. I mean, I have like no experience in motors. So, I mean, if I can do it, pretty much anyone can do it. Yeah, the head bolts weren't too bad. You know, it's just scary, but you gotta do it. So next time, probably next time I shoot a video, I should have the timing chain done, hopefully. Unless Zane breaks something else on this 240, then it'll be me putting the engine back in the 240. Hopefully. Or me cleaning out the engine bay to paint it, or something like that. But we'll see anyways. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you next time.